Good morning, it's Steve O'Hare from Signal Centre. Today is Tuesday, the 2nd of November, and we're taking a look at cryptocurrencies this morning. We're going to start with Bitcoin and run through a few of the major coins, and we're going to go through the higher timeframes and move down to the smaller timeframes to try and give full colour on the technical formations and indicators that we're looking at on cryptocurrencies this week. So let's start with the weekly chart on Bitcoin. Interesting, obviously we know that we had a new all-time high a few weeks ago, got up to 67,000. The previous all-time high before that was just below 65,000. And we saw a big rejection from this on the week of 18th of October. Last week was a very indecisive week. We did have a sell-off down to 56,500, but rallied back and closed slightly more positive on the week and around about the same level as the previous 2 weeks. This week we have seen a little bit of movement to the upside, so we are trading within this band of resistance on the weekly chart. So potential for a break higher hasn't really materialized yet, but I wouldn't say that it's not within the realms of possibility. However, there are a few formations that are indicating that this may be a short-term bullish phase we're in. It looks like we're forming a head and shoulders formation. I've highlighted it on this chart. We need to get a break line of at least 58,000 and a close below there on a daily basis to confirm this formation. As we can see, volume is dropping off on these moves higher, and momentum still remains negative. So bearish divergence occurring on the daily time frame. So definitely something to watch there. We are testing resistance as we speak, 63,270. So having a bit of a push higher. Short-term charts, we've broken above the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. You can see it quite clearly here just recently, just really happened in the last hour or so. And we are testing this resistance, or looking to retest this 63.75. Looks like quite a clear resistance level here. We got 1, 2, 3, even 4, even multiple touch points from when it was previously a supportive level. So yeah, 63.757 coming in there. That would be the next test of resistance. A break above there could open up a further assault on the all-time highs. However, do be aware of the bearish divergence going on. I really see this in the other coins as well. Ethereum challenging the all-time highs. We've got them here, 4,457, and looking strong at the moment with this uplift in cryptos. Levels to watch below really need to clear 4,150 to the downside. That will open up the psychological 4,000 level, and below that we've got 3,895, which will offer support, but really looking to focus on the all-time highs and potentially take them out shortly. Ripple hasn't really done the same. We've got this type of channel formation, almost a well, we've got a downward trending resistance line. We had it here, here, here. This looks like a decent level to really think about. We've got lower highs coming, so really looking to fade into this once it retests again. Ripple not really getting carried away like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano a little bit similar as well. We've got it trading in the doldrums, it feels, after it managed to make that all-time high. Let's take a look at the daily chart to get it a little bit clearer. Made this lovely all-time high. This is above $3, 310 we got up to. But since then, Bitcoin has kicked on, but Cardano hasn't, and under pressure. And again, these lower highs are a concern. We do have support coming in around about the 180 to 190 area. A break of there should open up a retest of 163 and further below. But yeah, definitely this isn't getting carried away. Volume's low. Really needs a little bit of a boost to really get that playing out on the upside. 250 for me is the big resistance area. That was a previous swing high all the way back in May, and that acted as a good support stroke resistance level since then. So 245 to 250 is the real line in the sand for me to start to be a bit more favorable to this coin on a more medium term basis once it does get above there. If it doesn't, it's under pressure, and the downside looks a little bit ominous for that. Okay, I hope that's helped. I hope the technical levels are informative, and we look forward to chatting again next week and see how that goes. Take care.